Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we are going to make a side end table that matches the 2x4 sofa that we made last week. I do have plans for the sofa, and I will have plans for this end table linked down below. Also, if you purchase plans for that sofa table, the extra material that was left over will build this end table. So let's get to this build. So the first thing we're going to do is we have quite a few little pieces left over from that sofa that we planed down. So if you've built that, go ahead and use those as well. You don't have to plane this. I just like how it looks, but I'm going to use what I have first, and then if I run out and don't have enough of the already planed stuff, I'll plane some more down. But we're going to start by cutting this in half because it doesn't need to be this bulky. So that's the gist. These are all the pieces for each side. So we are going to attach these with pocket holes. Cut the pieces. We're gonna have a shelf on the bottom. We're gonna make it the thinner material, and then the top is gonna be thick. I think if it was thicker material on the bottom, that would look a little bulky and make it look a little funny. So thinner on the bottom and the thicker piece on the top. Then I'm gonna cut me some small pieces and just attach them in here. That way I have enough meat. I'll come up under it and hit it with brad nails. That's what we'll do. Because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hit through that just under 1.25 inch thick piece and not pop out the sides. And I do not wanna do that. I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to adjust it so it is straight. Put some glue down and sit this on top. So it is nap time and my wife is trying to get the kids to sleep. So I guess I'm gonna stain it myself because I need to get to hurry up and start drying since it's so sunny out here. So I'm gonna use the same stain as the sofa that I did. I know I'm gonna do that on the bottom. I'm gonna do all the bottom first. And then I'll decide if I'm gonna do the top a different color or leave it the same color. We'll just see. So the bottom is done painted, and I don't think I'm gonna do, or stained, sorry. I don't think I'm gonna do the top stained because it's just too much. The cushions were red in the sofa, so I think I'm gonna use this chalk paint that I had. Hopefully it's still good, I've had it for a while, and do the top red. I do think I am going to do my little spray it with black spray paint first. Maybe it'll darken up this red. Okay, thanks for watching this video, everybody. I will have plans available for the end table. I also have plans for the outdoor sofa. The link's down below. Purchasing those plans helps the channel, helps me keep making videos the way as often as I'd like to, which is right now almost every day, which is kind of exciting. I kind of like making a lot of videos, but I could be running out of ideas because it is a lot more work to make a video every day rather than once a week or once every other week or whatever I was doing. But I'm glad that y'all stuck around to the end. If you haven't thought about subscribing, definitely do that. Click that bell so you don't miss out on all my videos. And share this video if you know anyone that might want to watch it. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later.